Hey y'all, what's up? It's Jessica, welcome back. Today's video is how I style my curly and straight wigs from RPGSHOW. So the first wig I'm going to be styling is the Jessica 001 S wig. This is a coily human hair textured wig. You guys absolutely love this wig. I styled this wig in my SZA inspired video, which you can click that iCard above to watch that video. But today I'm going to just show you how I like to do a wash and go on this unit. So this is the wig freshly washed. I'm applying product to it so that I can detangle it. I like to finger detangle first, and then I like to go in with my detangling brush to further detangle. And this brush, you guys always ask, this is the Felicia Leatherwood brush. And as you can see, it detangles really easily. So much like you would do your natural hair, you start with the ends and then work your way up to the roots. And you can see that texture forming as I'm detangling, like the curls just clump up. They're super gorgeous. Like this texture is beautiful. It literally looks like a jerry curl right now, but it's not going to stay like this. We're going to blow dry, and this is where you can diffuse your hair. So if you want big voluminous curls and coils, this is a great step. So you take your blow dryer. If you have a diffuser attachment, you would use that in this step, but I don't have one, so I'm just using the nozzle that came with my blow dryer, and I'm just focusing on the roots, really lifting the roots, getting in there to create volume. This is where that shape starts to come alive. This is where that height starts to come. And this is the final look. This wig looks so natural. The coils are popping. So the next wig I'm going to be trying out is the Raven Elise 003-S wig, and I was so excited to get this wig. This is like a very cool toned platinum ashy blonde, something I've never done before, so I was excited. This is the wig after I already washed it and blow dried it, and now I'm going to begin my styling. I'm going to start off first by flat ironing the hair to kind of smooth it out. And then I go in with this super large barrel curling wand to add waves to this hair because I really wanted some texture. I didn't want it bone straight. Kind of giving you like that messy California beach babe type of hair. So then I turn the wig inside out, and I'm using some pressed powder to camouflage the lace a little bit and so that it would match my skin tone. Now I'm applying the Got To Be gel to the perimeter of my hair so that that wig stays laid and secured, okay? Hashtag no wigs flying off in 2018. And then after I lay it down, this is the completed look, and I absolutely love this wig against my skin tone. Who said brown girls can't do platinum blonde? Show them this video. This is definitely out of my norm, but I love this wig. I've been getting so many compliments on it lately. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And if you would like $50 off of your next purchase on RPGSHOW.com, all you have to do is check the description box for the coupon code. They are doing a Valentine's Day sale, so make sure you guys don't miss out. Be sure to check the description box for all information in regards to these two RPGSHOW wigs. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!